You okay in there, buddy? Sorry it's so cramped in there. It's not made for, U-sized cargo. I'm gonna fasten this back down whilst I'm gone. I've explained this, buddy. You can't walk around the city. Androids stay indoors. If someone tries anything, I don't know how much use I'll be. So you have to stay here. I won't be long. I promise. I'll be with you in a minute. Max? That can't be you. How you doing, Johnny? I'm doing just fine. But I'm curious about what brings you to the city. Okay, so I have an android. I found them in the scrapyard. I fixed them up, and whilst replacing an arm, I found this. A chip. What's it got to do with me? Come on. You know this stuff better than anyone. I've tried to read it, but none of my stuff works. It's different. Can you help? If none of your stuff could read it, then I'm not sure we can do anything. But I'll have a go. You better get your money ready. I charge no matter who you are, Max. Max, I don't know what to tell you. What do you mean? You gotta dump that android. This doesn't look good. I don't want to abandon Buddy. That isn't fair. You gave the robot a name? The company that made this android probably made the chip too. The only way to look at it is to use their readers. As you can guess, we don't have those. Nor does any other member of the public. You're screwed, man. Well, that sucks. There's gotta be a way. I like having Buddy around. I'm not gonna give up. Buddy, I'm back. Yeah, I'll tell you about it later. No, it's not time to go yet. I need to go somewhere real quick. If you really don't like it in there, I could leave you with Johnny. He's nice most of the time. It's hard to start a friendship with him. As long as you don't touch anything, you should be fine. Come on. Don't touch that. Why'd Max have to leave me to babysit? Just sit on that chair and wait for him to come back. What happened to my voice? Quite forward, aren't you? There was an accident that destroyed my larynx and damaged my lungs. That's all bionic now. Max actually made the first version of it. Wasn't the best, but it did the job for a while. I hope you don't plan on talking this whole time. I'd much prefer silence. So much for silence. How long have I known Max? Long enough. I knew him before his father left, so a long time. He's a good guy. If you put him in danger, I'll disassemble you with my bare hands. He said I was nice. He always only sees the good in people, even if it's just a speck. I try to teach him not to be so trusting, but, well, it hasn't worked. But hear this, android. Max may trust you with his whole heart, but I don't. If I can separate a creation from its creator, I don't trust your makers. They've been up to shady business since the beginning. Like I told Max, I don't like the look of this, and I don't like you. In my opinion, he should just scrap you and build his own robot. We both know he has the skill to do it. Hell, he could even make it big with his talent, if he'd just move out of that stupid town and into the city. But I guess it's not so safe for him here. It's getting better, but people aren't so kind, nor are they too keen on minding their own damn business. What am I talking about? If he hasn't discussed it with you, then that's not my place. Don't ask him about it either. It's personal. Can you watch? Watch what? Oh, I guess you can watch me work. From a distance. I don't need you in the way. It's a tin robot. A kid's toy. How does it work? Well, it doesn't right now. That's why I'm working on it. But I'm almost done, so I'll show you. There. Are you ready, buddy? You take this key and put it in the back like this. Then you wind it. And it walks. Fine, I'll wind it up again. Aw, look at you two, bonding already. I knew you'd like them, Johnny. Shut up and take your android, Max.